congratulations in advance. First things first, promote mo yung concert.
Yes, I'd like to invite everyone to please support and watch the Artistry. It's on May 24 at the Music Museum, 8 p.m.
Ano nga yung aabangan natin dito? Like,
Naku, marami po silang aabangan dito sa show na to. Kasi this is the first time that we're going to have a show like this here in the Philippines, where it's showcasing pole dancing, aerial sports, yung mga aerial hoop, aerial hammock while singing. And then at the same time, we're also incorporating theater on it. Kasi syempre, when I started naman talaga in show business, I started in theater. So I wanna, like, make it a part of the show also na yung mga kanta na kinanta ko sa teatro before. So I wanna do it on my own version naman.
kasi napakaganda mo pa din. And you're still so voluptuous. People forget na you also sing.
Oh.
Diba you were part of Viva Hot Babes, diba?
Yes.
Ano nga yung mga hit songs ng Viva Hot Babes?
Bulaklak, Kikay.
For our Gen Zs, oh.
Yes.
So yung
Actually,
Kikay,
hindi na nila
saan
alam,
ba yun?
ah.
Oo.
Pero kasi parang nagtitrending ngayon ulit sa TikTok, di ba?
Tama.
So yeah, our original music is Bulaklak, Kikay, Basketball.
Sa inyo pala yung basketball.
Yes! Pati yung batuta ng pulis.
Tama, tama.
Sa amin din yun.
Sinabi mo kasi na nagte-trending and kanina din in our previous interview, parang you're promoting empowerment?
Yes.
Women empowerment.
Yes, actually that's the goal for this show. We are promoting women empowerment. Of course, kasi syempre pag sinabi nilang babae ka, minsan 'di ba parang bawal na sa'yo magpa-sexy, bawal na. Ang daming mga maling ideas na binibigay sa mga babae na pag babae ka na sa bahay ka lang dapat parang hindi na kasi ganun yung generation ngayon eh. Parang women and men are equal na. So whatever men can do, women can do. So for me, I wanna empower women to be strong and to be brave and na, they have to also achieve their goals in life. I mean, like, it's okay to sacrifice, pero if you have a dream, reach it. Parang kumbaga yun yung isang bagay na hindi ko naisip nung mga bata-bata days ko, di ba? Kasi dati, and good thing na na-realize ko siya earlier. I learned to embrace my sensuality earlier na habang kaya ko pa, and I learned to embrace the power of women. Alam mo yun, us women we are very powerful in our own ways. May mga bagay tayong hindi nagagawa ng mga lalaki, like giving birth, carrying a son or a daughter in her stomach for 9 months. Ang dami actually mga bagay na nagagawa ng mga babae na medyo nahihirapan ng mga lalaki. So, kumbaga parang I wanna embrace that in us, sa mga babae. And I wanna also empower women na kung meron kayong goals, meron kayong dreams, it's not impossible to achieve.
Before Viva Hot Babes, there was Sex Bomb, and then now after Viva Hot Babes, may Beanie. Have you heard of them?
I think I've heard of them.
It's a P-pop girl group. And I'm glad you mentioned empowerment kasi for the longest time, they were lagging behind a male group.
Yeah.
But now, at least in one platform, they've anong tawag doon? Nalagpasan.
Yeah.
Nila yung isang male group sa platform na yun.
Yeah.
What can you say about that, about women stepping up?
Yeah, I think it's time. It's really time for us women to step up na. Kasi, yun nga, like what I said, sometimes women are scared kasi parang they might be judged, they might be... Ako kasi parang I really believe in, expressing yourself in whatever way. Siyempre, you also have to put respect in yourself. Hindi ka naman magsusuot ng sexy dahil gusto mong ma-rape, di ba? Parang that's not your goal. But also, if you wear something revealing, you also have to respect yourself as well. Diba? Wag naman yung overboard na nakahubad ka lang naglalakad, diba? Kumbaga yung kita na lahat. Kumbaga there's a certain limit also na masasabi mo na nag-i-empower ka, but not in a way na babastusin mo din yung sarili mo. So, kumbaga there's also a thin line na, alam mo yun, na pwede kang i-judge talaga kapag kasobra naman, diba? So, I wanna encourage, that's why I'm doing this show, because I wanna encourage women na you also have to have that certain respect for yourself as well. And kailangan mong ipakita sa tao na kahit na sexy yung ginagawa mo, you know, you're showcasing something like your skills, your talent. Hindi lang yung parang maguhubad ka lang. Kumbaga ganun. So,
You can actually do a back-to-back show with Beanie as Viva Hot Babes. Kaya lang sabi mo hindi pa yata time, ano?
yeah, hindi ba? But why not, di ba? Pwede
So you're
mo-
open to that?
course.
Kasi you have your own,
Yeah.
catalog of hits.
Yes,
Diba? Hindi
oo.
naman di kayo pahuhuli sa Beanie,
Tama,
no?
oo, why not? Naman siguro, that's a good idea. I like that. I'll consider that.
Right. How crazy was it during your time when your hits were really hits?
Grabe, kasi may time na naban pa kami sa mga church.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah, kasi parang yung mga bata sa simbahan sinasayaw yung bulaklak. Di ba yung bulaklak medyo double meaning siya pag kinakanta. So, there was a point na dumating na gano'n, na binan kami sa church. And then parang pinag-aaway kami ng sex bomb. But you know what? The good thing is that Sex Bomb and Hot Babes are really good friends.
Talaga?
Yeah, so yun yung parang hindi
Even
alam.
at the height of the rivalry, quote-unquote.
Yeah, as in, like for example, pag nag-guest kami sa station nila, sila actually nagtuturo sa amin sumayaw. Kumbaga ganun, we help each other. Siguro yung may mga issue lang talaga yung mga tao na parang, mas magaling ang ano. Kumbaga pinag-aaway kami lagi. But to be honest, like, sobrang close kami ng sex
Ng
bomb.
sex bomb. Hanggang ngayon.
Oo, hanggang ngayon.
Last question ko. Kanina you mentioned na your son sat you down for a serious talk na,
Yeah.
Ma'am, kung anong ginagawa niyo, itigil niyo na. Did you take it lightly? Did you get offended na, oy, dito ko kayo pinalaki. What's wrong with what I'm doing?
No, I don't take it lightly. I took it seriously talaga kasi like what I said, I respect my son's feelings. And I don't want him to grow up na thinking na in-ignore ko lang siya, you know. I want him to grow up na alam niya na nire-respeto ko yung opinion niya and yung feelings niya na kung ano man yung suggestion niya at yung gusto kasi we're in this together, di ba? I'm gonna be with him forever. So I also have to consider that na paglaki niya, may respeto din siya sa akin, di ba? So yeah, I'm not offended at all kasi I'm doing this for love and I'm gonna end everything with love for him.
How would you feel if you overhear one of your son's friends say, your mom's kinda hot?
Thank
Or
you.
narinig mo na ba? Or do you know that for a fact?
Yeah,
That some of his friends
Oo,
think?
actually sinasabi niya sa akin, Mom, you know what my boss father said? That you're their idol daw.
Wow.
They watch your film, mga ganun. Nakakatuwa naman. Basta wag lang yung bastos naman, di ba? Kumbaga parang if they say that, then I'll say thank you, di ba? Why not? Na-appreciate nila yung beauty or yung pagkatao mo. So why not?
Ano yung mga abangan pa namin after this concert or show?
Actually, after this concert, we're gonna be touring it, not just here in the Philippines, but also abroad, like maybe in the US and in Canada.
Talaga? Wow.
Inaabangan ko po yan na,
Actually, the concept is kinda unique.
yeah, thank you so much. Kasi that's the goal talaga. Kasi mahilig po ako manood ng mga shows abroad.
Oo.
And pag uwi ko dito sa Pilipinas, hinahanap ko siya, yung parang, bakit wala tayong ganong show? I mean like, bakit walang ganon? Kasi that kind of show kasi I resonate talaga sa show na ganon. Kasi since whatever I do, my image will always be sexy. And then at the same time, I'm a singer. So how will I incorporate what I love doing with my passion is pole dancing, mga aerial, kumbaga parang it's my form of workout. So, naisip ko nung napanood ko yung show na pinapanood ko sa Paris or sa US, ganun. So, I was thinking, you know what, why not do it in the Philippines? And make it our own. Alam mo yun, para naman may ma-showcase din natin yung mga talent natin dito na hindi lang yung mga foreigners na nasa ibang bansa ang may kaya gumawa nun. We can also do this here in the Philippines. And we have a lot of talented women who can actually do it. So, sabi ko,
Shara Soto.
yeah. Actually, Shara was my first teacher. Yeah. kasama ko siya sa Rent the Musical. We did Mimi together.
I see.
So, kumbaga nung may poll kasi doon, she was the one who actually taught me first. Siya yung naging unang teacher.
Will she join you in the show?
No, I haven't invited her yet kasi syempre si Shara is in the more conservative diba?
Sa bagay.
Yeah, so
But she also sings, ha?
yeah.
And well, she
Yeah,
sings well.
she's very good. So parang ako naman, parang hindi ko na lang siya na-invite kasi baka hindi niya magustuhan. I mean, I don't know. But
Sa ibang
maybe
shows.
hopefully in the bigger stage, I can. Oo, so hopefully I'll bump into her one day again. And then maybe ask her to kasi nakakahiya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much!